Good morning, everybody. Again, this is another segment of the same drawing, June 4th, 2025. I don't know. So we were working, as I said, quadrametrically. Now we're going to do a little variation on that, which if I see something that I can do, that may be a little bit of a variation from the quadrimetrical design, in other words, different. We start to depart from any kind of adherence towards a uniform similarity. I mean, to an extent, yeah, but I mean, we're just letting it happen. And here's what we're working with, just to get you a familiarization with what we had before, if you didn't see the previous video. And I recommend you take a look at it. Just uploaded previous to this one on my YouTube at Joel David Hans Listokin, using art and music in education. Okay, so I hate to have these things run too long right now because I don't get as many views and I got to break them up into shorts. So let's go ahead and call that a finished segment. I'm going to break that. Even that's going to get broken up into some shorts. But we're not finished. So thank you, and to be continued on June 4th, 2025.